She rubs aloe vera on her hair. What happens after 5 minutes will surprise you. We are all familiar with the health benefits of aloe vera. This incredible plant provides numerous health benefits due to the medicinal properties it possesses. The tropical climate is the best fitting climate in which this plant is usually grown. However, aloe vera can easily be grown in home conditions, since it doesn't need any particular care or attention. The leaves of aloe vera are filled with a thick gel which you can collect by opening the leaf. If you are one of those who consider that their hair simply does not grow as fast as the hair of other people, we got the right solution for you. You can forget about all those expensive products which are full of chemicals, and at the end they will prove not to be so effective. Do you know that aloe vera can promote hair growth? Today we present you an amazing Indian recipe for hair growth which is really simple and easy to make. And it is extremely effective. You will be amazed by the results. Needed ingredients: coconut oil, castor oil, vitamin E capsules, aloe vera leaves. Directions: you need to cut the aloe vera leaf. Make sure that the thorns are all removed, then slice it nicely from the center. Use a fork or a knife in order to easily scrape the gel. Then, massage your scalp with the leaf. You can use your fingers to ensure that the entire scalp is well covered. Next, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil and 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Take 1 vitamin E capsule and use our needle to gently pierce it. Then, pour this oil mixture in a bowl filled with hot water. Note: do not put this oil directly on fire or microwave, as you can burn something. It takes only 5 minutes and your oil will be ready. Now you can apply it to your hair. How to use: just apply the oil on your scalp and massage with your fingers for 5 minutes. Then, you can rest your head on any comfortable surface. You should gently massage your scalp one more time for 2 to 3 minutes. This will improve your blood circulation and speed up the hair growth. Then, tie up your hair in a tight braid and let it stand overnight. In the morning, you should wash off your hair. It is recommended to repeat the procedure 4 to 5 times a week. You should store this mixture in a bottle. You will be amazed by the results. Your hair growth will increase by 40 to 50%. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.